In this video, I'll show you how to set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. When you come to your Google Ads interface, at the Ad Manager interface, you click on goals, then you come to summary. And that you see, you may be asked to create what? New conversion action. Now, someone may ask, what is conversion tracking? Conversion tracking are basically a way to measure the actions, certain actions you want people who will see your Google advert to take on your website. That is what conversion tracking is about. So for example, if you want people who see your advert to go and sign up for some particular package on your website, then you want to track how many people have seen the advert and have gone to really sign up. That is conversion tracking. So when you come here, you click on what? New conversion track action. So you will be asked whether you want to track actions on your website, or you want to what? Calls from ad, calls to a number on your website. Click on number on mobile site, and then all that. We have several types, so you can choose. So for the purposes of this video, for now, I want to what? Track. I'll use the first one, but we can also go with this one based on what I'm doing. So for now, I'm going with this one. Then they will ask of what? The website domain. Let me just put the site domain. My landing page URL here. Then I'll click on scan. Then it says create conversion actions manually using code. So I'll click on add conversion action. Then as you can see here, it says select category. So we have several options: purchase, add to cart, begin checkout, subscribe, contact, submit lead form, book appointment, sign up, request code, get directions, outbound click, page view. So for now, my own is a page view. I want people who view the page. So I'll go to page view. Then it says enter, it says conversion name. So we just give a name to the conversion. I've named it BP page view. This one is just blood pressure page. It's a website for a health related website. So I'm putting blood pressure page view. Then if I go down further, it says value. So I want to, so normally you see don't use value. So this one, I don't want to use a value because it is something that the people have to call to understand the package before they buy. So don't use value. Then it says select how many conversions to count per click or interaction. So every, yeah. Then, so for all these, and let me add that if you come here, so depending on whatever you are targeting, if you want to sign up, you want leads, whatever, you choose what corresponds to the goal you want to achieve. So if you want people to sign up, you should click on what? Sign up, okay, or submit lead form. That is what you should choose. Okay, so for now, I'm just clicking on done. So you now click on agree and continue. Then it says, you see, it says set up with Google Tag. Then you also see email instructions to your webmaster and then use Google Tag Manager. So set up with a Google Tag. So there are basically three options. And what I would recommend to you is to use the Google Tag Manager. Now, before you can use the Google Tag Manager, you must have already installed Google Tag Manager on your website. If you have not done that, I have done a video for this particular thing, what do you call it, for that setup, how to set up Google Tag Manager on your WordPress website. You can check the link in the description. You see a video in the description. The link is there. You can also check it above, and then you follow that video and then learn how to install the Google Tag Manager first. And you should have done that one first before you come and then continue with this one. So if you go follow it, or if you have already done it, then you can continue with this one. So I'll come here and click on what? Use Google Tag Manager. So we continue. When you click on use Google Tag Manager, as I earlier on said, these are the conversion ID, and then Yeah, so that's the conversion ID and the conversion label. So I'm going to use this one to set up the to complete the setup for the event or the conversion action I've just done. So let me show you how exactly to do that. So I'm coming back. I'm going to duplicate this part. So I just duplicate it. This information, the conversion ID and then the label are very important. So when I come here, so what I'm going to do is I will just go back from this screen. So when I come to the goals, they said your conversion actions are automatically grouped into goals and then blah, blah. I don't need that for now. So I'm leaving. So this is the conversion event I've just set up. So you see that it says it is inactive. Then I'll click on troubleshoot, click on continue. Okay, I will not this part for now. Let me finish before if it is not active, then we troubleshoot. So now I'm going to the Google Tag Manager. Just go to, so I'm in Google Tag Manager now. So I'm just opening the container. Okay, so I'm inside the container. So when you get to Google Tag Manager, you can set up a tag. So how do you set up a tag? Before you set up the tag, you click on what? Tags. And then you click on new. Then click on what? You choose Google Ads. And you know, so that's Google Ad. You select here Google Ads conversion tracking. Now, when I do that, I have not created a Google Ad conversion linker. So it will give me a problem. So I have to what? Add a conversion linker. So see conversion linker. So you see conversion linker here. So you select conversion linker. Then you come to the triggering. Then you click on it. Click on initialization all pages. Then you add all pages. So all pages and initialization all pages. Then you click on save. Then you type conversion linker. You can make it conversion linker GTM. What do you call it? Google Ads. So conversion linker Google Ads. Then you click on save. So we are back to the conversion we were setting up. So this one, you come back to here, this place. You see there was a conversion ID. So you copy the conversion ID. Then you come and put it here. Then you go back again. There was a conversion label. So this is the conversion label. Then you put that one here. Then you click on save. Okay. We save it, but before we save it, we have to title it. So the tag name is BP page view. BP page view tag. To come and select the trigger. So I'll save it. Okay, it says no trigger selected. So add trigger. So I'll add trigger, or you can come here and then click here. So it will take you to the trigger. I'm selecting all page views for that particular event. So I'll click on what? Save. I have I've just remembered that some of the page views will not measure the event I am targeting. So I'm just going to go back there and then edit it again. So I'll go back and then go to the page view. So the trigger, instead of page views, I will just click on, so you click on the plus here. Then it will ask. So it's a page view, but not all page views. I'll go to page view. Then I'll select some page views. So the page views that I want, it must contain the URL. So I'm just going to, so here, page, I will choose page URL. So I want that if the page URL contains the URL that I am targeting, then it should be recorded as a page view for me. So let me check. So this is the URL I want. Yes, so it's asking me to rename it. So I'm naming it as what? BP page view. Then I've just renamed it. So you come here and then click on what? Save. So you have typically set up a tag and a trigger. The tag and a trigger means that if the trigger happens, if someone goes to that landing page, it should record it as a what? That the event has occurred. So let me just show you something. So let us find out if our event is active and firing. So you come and click on preview. So when you click on preview, you put the URL of the page or your website. Then I'm in the landing page. I'm basically tracking a landing page view. So as you can see, it says Tag Assistant is connected. Then I'll click on finish. Then it says connected. Then I'll come to this place, continue. Then when you come here, it will say tags fired, conversion linker, and then BP page view. So it means that if someone views the page, it will what? Track it that someone has viewed the page. So the conversion action is working. So in the same way, I could have decided to track any other thing. Example, maybe if I want to track anyone who goes to the page, they should take a certain specific action, such as say I want to track WhatsApp button or call button. As you could see earlier on when I was starting the conversion setup, you see that there was call, there are so many of them that I could have tracked, but I just decided to track a page view. I did a video earlier on how to track submit lead form. I will leave the link in the description. If you want a specific lead form, you can follow and then set up a lead form. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video. We do Google Ads, Facebook and Instagram ads. We do web development. Any service relating to marketing or web development you may need, contact us. If you also have problem completing this task, just follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description to contact us and we will help you. Thank you once again for watching. You can leave your comments in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to this channel. If this video helped you, let me know if you were able to follow and do it. Leave your comments in the comment section and see you in the next video. Bye.